Today I'll be doing a video on class 9 science chapter 1 CBSE matter in our surroundings. NCERT textbook page 3. Which of the following are matter? Chair, air, love, smell, hate, almonds, thought, cold drink, smell of perfume. Answer: chair, air, almonds and cold drink. Give reasons for the following observation. The smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away, but to get the smell from cold food, you have to go close. The smell from hot sizzling food reaches several meters away as the particles of hot food have more kinetic energy due to higher temperature, and hence the rate of diffusion is more than the particles of cold food. A diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does this observation show? Answer: a diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. This shows that the particles of water have large intermolecular space and has less force of attraction. What are the characteristics of the particles of matter? Answer: the characteristics of the particles of matter are particles of intermolecular space, particles of intermolecular force, particles of matter are moving continuously. NCERT textbook page 6. Question number 1. The mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. Arrange the following in order of increasing density: air, exhaust from chimneys, honey, water, chalk, cotton and iron. Answer: increasing density: air, exhaust from chimneys, cotton, water, honey, chalk, iron. Difference in the characteristics of three states of matter. Characteristic: shape, solid fixed shape, liquid no fixed shape, gas no fixed shape. Volume: solid fixed volume, liquid fixed volume, gas no fixed volume. Rigidity and fluidity: solid or rigid, cannot flow. Liquid can flow, not rigid. Gas can flow, it's not rigid. Characteristics: intermolecular force, solid it's maximum, liquid less than solids, gas very less. Intermolecular space in solid is very less, more than solids and less than gases in liquid. Gas maximum. Compressibility: solid negligible, liquid compressible, gas highly compressible. Comment on rigidity. The tendency of a substance to retain or maintain the shape when subjected to outside force. Compressibility: the matter has intermolecular space. The external force applied on the matter can bring these particles closer. This property is called compressibility. Gases and liquids are compressible. Fluidity: the tendency of particles to flow is called fluidity. Liquids and gases flow. Filling of a gas container. Gases are particles which vibrate randomly in all directions due to negligible intermolecular force. The gas can fill the container. Shape: solids have maximum intermolecular force and definite shape, whereas liquids and gases take the shape of a container. Kinetic energy: the energy possessed by particles due to their motion is called kinetic energy. Molecules of gases vibrate randomly as they have maximum kinetic energy. Density. Density is defined as mass per unit volume. The solids have highest density. Give reasons. A gas fills completely the vessel in which it is kept. B. A gas exerts pressure on the walls of the container. C. A wooden table should be called a solid. We can easily move our hand in air, but to do the same through a solid block of wood, we need a karate expert. Answer: the molecules of a gas have high kinetic energy, due to which they keep moving in all directions and hence fill the vessel completely in which they are kept. A gas exerts pressure on the walls of the container because the molecules of the gas are in constant random motion due to high kinetic energy. These molecules constantly vibrate, move, and hit the walls of the container, thereby exerting pressure on it. The molecules or particles of wooden table are tightly packed with each other. There is no intermolecular space, it cannot be compressed, it cannot flow. All these characteristics are of solid. So wooden table should be called a solid. We can easily move our hand in air, but to do the same through a solid block of wood, we need a karate expert. It's because the molecules of air has less force of attraction between them and a very small external force can separate them and pass through it. But in case of solids, the molecules have a maximum force of attraction. The particles are tightly bound due to this force. Hence, large amount of external force is required to pass through solid. Liquids generally have lower density as compared to solids, but you must have observed that ice floats on water. Find out why. Answer: ice is a solid, but its density is lower than water due to its structure. The molecules in ice make a cage-like structure with a lot of vacant spaces. This makes ice floats on water. Please like and subscribe to Travel Treats. Go to youtube.com, search for channel Travel Treats and press subscribe button to watch more updated videos. Thank you for watching.